Good morning, everybody. This is John Elder, streaming live from sunny South Texas at the Five Dog Digital Compound. And today's video, I just wanted to do a quick overview of SEO 101s. Real basics, just to kind of get your feet wet and get you to understand what SEO is and how it helps grow your business. So let's start by just saying having a strong online presence is essential for businesses looking to thrive in the competitive market. Especially if you've been around for a couple of years and you remember the whole COVID lockdown thing. If you didn't have a website, no one could find you and your calls dried up. So it's essential to get online in case anything like that happens ever again. And this is where SEO comes into play. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And in this little quick video, we'll explore some of the basic fundamentals of SEO, its importance for online visibility, and, of course, business growth and lead generation, as well as its various components and best practices. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility in the search results for the right search terms. So it's essential to get the right terms in the right place so that you rank well for them and you're easy to find for those searches. So let's jump right in. By implementing the various strategies and techniques, businesses can enhance their online visibility, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately drive growth. Components of SEO include, first, on-page optimization. Nothing else matters if the website itself is a steaming pile of crazy. So you want to get the on-page SEO dialed in. That's the stuff on the website itself. So this involves optimizing various elements within the website, such as the meta tags, headings, the content itself, and ensuring that they all have relevant, keyword-rich content. Content is king, so this cannot be overlooked. You want to make sure you do some keyword research, get the right words in the right place on your website. That's paramount. 2 is off-page optimization. This focuses on building strong online reputation through tactics like link building, social media engagement, and guest blogging. These help you not only improve the ranking for certain target keywords that you're hammering on, but it also helps build your overall domain authority, which is how well Google trusts you. When Google trusts you, you rank. Google doesn't trust you, you hang out on page 20 and nothing changes. So definitely worth considering, but first start with on-page, then move to the off-page. Next is technical optimization. This aspect deals with the technical aspects of a website, including site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability to ensure that the engines can actually index and rank your site, as well as a couple other smaller aspects. But these are the big 3 here. So you want to make sure that your site loads quick, otherwise people will get bored, click away, and just figure, rage click. Everyone's done it. So you want to make sure it loads quick, it is mobile friendly, because almost half the searches these days are on phones. So that's essential. You want to make sure that Google can actually crawl your website. So if you don't have Google Search Console linked up to it, you should probably do that. Then they can automatically go back and forth, check out your new content, and rank you appropriately for the right search terms, which is kind of the exact purpose of what you're doing all this for. Next, which probably should be first, keyword research and implementation. Understanding the keywords your target audience is searching for and incorporating them strategically throughout your website's content is crucial. You want to grab those search terms that have high search volume, but a low keyword difficulty. That's the sweet spot right there. Do that and work those keywords into your header tags, your title tags, your meta tags. Get the synonym and keyword variations sprinkled throughout the content. You're going to be golden for that keyword. You will rank. Then it's just a matter of using the offsite optimization we touched on to just kind of boost them up a little bit and get them on page 1 where all the traffic's at. Next, content creation and optimization. Creating high quality, informative, and engaging content optimized with the right keywords helps attract both search engines and users, and it really serves the core of Google's entire business model, delivering accurate, relevant results to search inquiries. If you're one of those guys that's constantly producing new content, answering high search volume questions, and basically giving the customer what they want, Google's going to put you in front of them. So content is king. keep producing content. I'd say a page a month at least, whether that's a blog, whether it's a service page, whether it's a location page encompassing some of the towns in your area. All these can help. So definitely keep pumping out content. Let's see. Next is website structure and navigation. A well-organized website structure and intuitive navigation setup really helps users and search engines alike both find and access the content they're looking for. Next, beyond that would be mobile optimization, which the majority of the internet users browsing are on mobile devices. So optimizing your content for mobile is imperative. Responsive design and, of course, tailoring mobile experience is key. Next, beyond that, we have link building strategies. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites not only improves your website's authority, but also helps drive more organic traffic. In addition, you also want to use the right keywords here on those links so that as people find those blogs and click those links, you'll improve your ranking for that particular term because Google's going to see everyone's clicking this phrase to find this guy. We should probably rank that guy for this term because it makes sense. Sometimes logic prevails. It's rare, but it happens. Next, we have social media integration. This is also important. Integrating social media platforms into your SEO strategy helps increase brand visibility, engagement, and social signals, which can positively impact your rankings. So you want as many lines of traffic as you can possibly get coming into your website. And if you're producing content, social media is a great place to share it to drive that traffic right back to your website. Next is user experience and site speed. These are very important. A positive user experience and a fast-loading website are essential for both user satisfaction as well as search engine rankings. So with that said, next I'm going to talk about some of the SEO tools and analytics used commonly in order to track some of this data and get an understanding of what's going on so you can make adjustments. First tool is Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These free tools from Google provide valuable insights into website performance, organic search traffic, and user behavior. Next is keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush help identify relevant keywords and their search volume. This aids in targeting the right audience, getting the right search terms that have that good mix between high volume, low keyword difficulty, and working those into your content strategy. Next, we have some SEO audit tools. Screaming Frog, Moz Site Crawl, analyze a website's technical aspects, identify issues, and offer optimization suggestions. In addition, if you're interested, you can always message me directly and I'll go ahead and run an audit on your website and let you know in that quick 5-10 minute video what red flags I see and how to fix them. Happy to help. Next, we have some rank tracking tools such as Moz and SEMrush to help monitor keyword rankings, track your search engine result profile, and measure the impact of your SEO efforts. Because you never know if it's working if you're not tracking your results. Data is key. So some SEO trends on the horizon we wanted to touch on real quick for some fun at the end of this video. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice assistants, optimizing for voice search inquiries and long tail keywords like HVAC contractor and FAR Texas. It's like 5 words strung together. That's a long tail. Usual keyword is like HVAC or HVAC contractor. So that's a quick description of what that is. But anyway, yeah, voice search is increasingly becoming important, so why not jump on there and get yourself listed there as well. Next will be mobile first indexing. Google now primarily uses mobile versions of a website for indexing and ranking, making mobile optimization crucial for SEO success. Beyond that, we have AI and machine learning impacting SEO. This is a big wave that just hit this year. Search engines are increasingly relying on AI and machine learning algorithms to develop more personal and relevant search results. So that's how they're using it. We use it in all kinds of different ways. Just go on Instagram or TikTok and you'll find thousands of videos on AI tools that are available for you. Next is local SEO, and of course, the notorious Google My Business. For businesses targeting a specific geographic area, like a service area for some of you contractors and whatnot, optimizing for local search and utilizing Google My Business can significantly improve visibility. So that's also something we do, and we'd be happy to take a look at that profile and give you some tips and tricks on that and my other videos. Last but not least, the importance of user intent and user-centric SEO approaches is a key. Search engines are placing more emphasis on understanding user intent and providing more relevant results, making user-centric SEO strategies essential. In conclusion, implementing effective SEO strategies and techniques can improve your business's online visibility and drive growth, and of course, leads. By understanding the components of SEO, following best practices, utilizing the right tools, and staying updated with the latest trends in business, you can stay ahead of an ever-evolving digital landscape where Google changes their algorithm weekly, which is why you need guys like us to read the tea leaves. So start optimizing your website today and watch your online presence soar. If you need help, feel free to message me directly, and I'd be happy to shoot you a video and offer you some suggestions. So that's the basic overview. We'll go into details on all the topics later in my other videos. Feel free to give me a like and subscribe if you liked this video, and stay tuned for the next one. This has been John with 5 Dog Digital Marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.